Let's talk about coding today. I'll share 7 ways how it's improving my life and what benefits you can expect from having this skill under your belt. Hi, if you don't know me, I'm Natalia and I'm Cloud DevOps engineer, and on this channel I'm sharing my thoughts and learnings about technology, personal development and finances. Yes, you probably think coding is super boring, and it's not for me because I was very bad in math in my high school. This is a general misconception about the topic in general. There are famous quotes from Steve Jobs and Bill Gates. Everyone should learn how to code because it teaches you how to think. Learning how to code stretches your mind and helps you think better, creates a way of thinking that is helpful in all domains. And these guys are so damn right. I wasn't a math genius in school and I was pretty decent academically, but it wasn't my strongest discipline. And all my life I heard, oh, it's not for you. You're not good in algebra, calculus, pre-calculus, and so on and so forth. And it's something you won't be able to learn because it's super complex. Even when I was taking my uni classes, lots of people were asking questions like, oh, is it really what you want to do? Are you sure it's something you find interesting? Or do you think it's for you? Wow, I can't believe that people still have some biases about what a woman should do and like and what she's capable of. I personally consider it's a season of learning, discovering my abilities and looking at all sorts of problems from a different angle. First and foremost, let's dispel a general misconception. You do not necessarily need to be a math expert to start coding. While some areas of coding and computer science involve complex mathematical concepts, many aspects of coding can be learned and practiced without an extensive background in math. If you're looking at such areas like machine learning, cryptography, data science, and working on cutting-edge algorithms, you'll be required to have exceptional skills in high-level math. But this video is not for these folks. I'll be sharing how coding is helping me in my daily life. So, logic and systematic approach. With coding, you learn how to break complex problems into smaller, manageable chunks, creating a step-by-step process to arrive at solutions. There is trial and error. Coding involves experimentation and continuous improvement. You will learn that making mistakes is actually part of the learning process and that iterative problem solving is essential for success. Creative problem solving. While coding follows logic, there is also room for creativity in finding elegant and efficient solutions. You become adept at thinking creatively, to approach challenges from different angles. Debugging and critical thinking. Debugging code is not specifically my favorite activities, but it involves identifying issues and analyzing the root causes. This sharpens your critical thinking skills and helps you to identify problems. Persistence and patience. Coding often involves facing roadblocks and bugs. Learning to persist, troubleshoot, and not giving up easily translates to resilience in facing real-life challenges. Adaptability to change. Coding languages and technologies evolve rapidly. As a coder, you learn to adapt to new tools and concepts, fostering flexibility and adaptability in other areas of life. Team collaboration. You probably know that many coding projects involve teamwork. You develop collaboration skills, learning to communicate effectively, listen to others' perspectives, and work together towards common goal. Focus and concentration. Coding requires deep focus and concentration to write error-free code. This ability to concentrate can be applied to other tasks, improving productivity and efficiency. Breaking down big goals. Just like coding projects, big life goals can be overwhelming. And coding teaches you to tackle large projects by breaking them into smaller, achievable tasks. Continuous learning. In the tech world, learning never stops. Coding encourages growth mindset, inspiring you to seek new knowledge and skills in all areas of life. I personally think that coding is not just a skill, it's a mindset that opens new horizons, opportunities, and the way how we see the world and solve our problems. I'm finishing my video and wishing you a happy coding, and may your journey be filled with a good compiling, error-free code, laughter, and success. I hope you will get inspired and maybe try yourself in coding. It's really good skill to have. Let me know about your coding journey and share your success and maybe sometimes failures. We all fail, but the most important thing we need to remember that we need to move on, and every single step makes us better and better in this skill. Other than this, I wish you a great day and see you soon. Bye!